What's up, icons? It's the iconic fashion figure back with a new video. And as you can see, my setup behind me is completely different than what you guys are used to seeing because I am getting ready to show you today how I set up for this here photo shoot.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
So as I set up for this photo shoot, I'm going to tell you guys where I got everything from. So that way, if there's any pieces here you guys are interested in, you can go ahead and go buy it. Anything that I can link, I'll link down in the description box. But I think most of this scene I've gotten directly from in the store. Although I have been on this photo shoot like frenzy lately. I've been going crazy with my photo shoots, having a lot of fun because this is the part of my business that I truly love. So I really wanted to put a lot of focus into it and get more creative with my photo shoots because that's what I like to do. So I do have a lot of props that I have been buying lately online, so you guys will be seeing more of this. But for this scene, let me tell you where I got everything from and show you guys how to set it up. So the tan curtains that you guys see on my backdrop stand, I've had those curtains forever. You guys probably have seen them on my Instagram if you follow my business Instagram. I believe I got them from HomeGoods years ago. So like those are extremely old. Don't even remember how much I paid for them. But you can find curtains like this anywhere, like a Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, even like Macy's, anywhere like that. Just get the curtains of your choice. Then for the brown backdrop, that is just a piece of fabric that I bought from Joann's. Now if you have other fabric stores near you, definitely go to another fabric store because Joann's can get really expensive for their fabrics. Like those fabrics are overpriced. But I was nearby a Joann, so I just stopped in there. So all of the fabric that you're seeing me set up, those all came from Joann's. The brown fabric, the animal print that I'm putting over the benches, that came from Joann's, as well as the gold fabric I put on the floor, which that originally wasn't a plan as far as this photo shoot setup, but I liked it on the floor, so I went ahead and added that. All of those came from Joann's, as well as the green garland that I put on the backdrop stand, that came from Joann's as well. Now for the gold tapered planters, the tall ones that I use, those I got off of Amazon. Those were $80 a piece, so $80 for each of them, $160 for two. They're sold separately, so you can get one if you only need one. You don't have to get two. The tall grass that I put inside one of those planters, that I got from IKEA, which those were, I believe, like $4 each, and I got 3 packs of that, and that filled up that planter for me. And then the tall wooden sticks, those also came from IKEA, and I want to say a pack of those were $10, and I only needed 1 pack to fill the vase. So that's one side with those planters. On the other side, I have the gold round planters. Those are actually 2 separate planters stacked one inside of the other one. I had got a set of 3 of those from Bed Bath & Beyond. For the set of 3, it was $100, but I only used 2 in this scene. And I know you guys are probably thinking, why am I spending so much on pieces just for a photo shoot, like $100 for planters, $80 a piece for the other planters? But I did that because those are some things I can use around my house as decor too, so it's not like money wasted. But anyway, for the tall plant that's inside of those round gold planters, that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond as well. I actually got that I think last year, but that I believe was like $60 or $70 from Bed Bath & Beyond. But remember, you can also use coupons at a lot of these places, not Amazon, but at Bed Bath & Beyond. IKEA sometimes mails them too, and then Joann Fabrics as well. Use those coupons, save you a little money if you need to. But that's where I got everything from. And then as far as the bench that I'm currently sitting on, that you'll also see in the scene of the photo shoot, it's those, I put 2 little square benches together. I don't know if you guys have seen those storage bins that come from like Walmart and Target. I think they're like $10 or $15 a piece. Maybe they're like $20. I know mine are super old and I still had them in my house, so it worked perfectly for this photo shoot, and I just covered it with the animal print fabric. But that's the entire setup for this scene. I'm going to do 3 different outfits for this because I kind of have this organization idea, this aesthetic that I want to do on my Instagram. So every scene that I do, I'm going to shoot 3 different outfits with. So for this photo shoot, you guys are getting ready to see me do 3 different outfits with this scene, and then I'll show you guys the end result. So here are some of the end result photos from this photo shoot. I got a few good ones here. Now, you guys probably see right now on my background, as well as you were watching me shoot the photos, that this brown fabric I did not steam at all. Originally, I was supposed to just kind of play around with the setup to see how I like it, and then I was going to take that fabric down to steam it. But then I got lazy, and I was actually really excited just to shoot with this scene, so I never bothered taking it down to steam it. Once I got to editing the photos, I just kind of smoothed out some of those wrinkles so it's not as noticeable. I'm not going to show how I actually edit the photos in this video. I'll most likely do it in another video, show you guys how I edit my photos, because trust me, you're about to see a lot more of these photo shoot setups. I have so many different ideas. I've bought a ton of props, so I'm getting excited for this. So I'm going to try to film as many of them as I can, and hopefully give you guys some ideas too of different photo shoot themes that you can do right from your home. But that's it for this video. Any questions, leave it down in the comments. I'll try to link all the items, or at least as many items as I can, in the description box along with their price. Hopefully you guys have fun with this video like I did, and thank you for watching.